Alright guys, I just want to show you a quick product. You use this right here before you tile as an extra barrier. I mean, you use Durarock, obviously, cement board. But I'll walk backwards. You coat everything in that. I'm not done yet, obviously, but I wanted to stop midway. This stuff's made in the USA. It's a product. I'm going to show you how thick it is. So, it is super thick like pudding, okay? And you just coat all your seams. I just put a first coat on. Now I'm going to backfill everything else, all my cracks and crevice. They sell a crack and crevice kit too. You hit all your, anything larger than 1/8 of an inch, and then you go back and put this on. But I usually like to get my first coat on first, and then I go through and do my second coat on everything and make it nice and neat. There's another product like this called Red Guard that's sold at Home Depot. The stuff ain't cheap. It's around $80 a bucket. This is Aqua Defense, and they sell this at Lowe's. Same thing, but it's made in the USA. And if you guys do any kind of shower or bathroom remodel, DIY or whatever, go ahead and make sure that you use a product like this and get your rubber membrane on everything. Even though if you use cement board or not, this is an extra step that will make everything even more water resistant. So this is the bathroom model that I've showed you guys about. It's not near complete, I know. A couple more weeks here, but I'm still straightening out everything and making sure that the walls are right and everything is sealed and perfect before I lay a tile. So still got drywall work and tile work to do, but I'm gonna keep picking away at this thing, and you guys should have an update video by April 1st. And if not, April Fools, right? Catch you guys on the next video.